Here's how to see all the accounts you blocked on TikTok. Now open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android, and if you went through and blocked an account and you wanted to change your mind and unblock them, of course, on their profile, you can unblock them. But if you don't know what their profile is, or you just want to see the entire list, you can easily access it just by getting into your settings. So within this settings, you'll be able to see that block list. They move this around constantly, but what we're looking for is the privacy section. Now within privacy, you can see interactions here. We can scroll down to the bottom, and there is your option that says blocked accounts. Keep in mind, this shows you all of the accounts that you blocked. If you wanted to, you can tap unblock on any of these and then tap on their profile here, or you might need to just navigate directly to their profile and follow them again if you wanted to start seeing their content.